In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revoke email access Gmail. We'll walk through two common situations. First, how to block access to a confidential email you've already sent. Second, how to remove third-party apps or services that you previously allowed to access your Gmail. Follow along step by step, and I'll point out key details so you know exactly what to expect. If you sent your message using Gmail's confidential mode, you can cut off access even before the scheduled expiration. Open Gmail in a web browser and go to your Sent folder. Find and open the confidential email. You'll know it's confidential if you see a small lock and clock icon on the message. At the top of that email, click the lock icon to bring up the confidential mode controls. Choose Remove Access, sometimes labeled Revoke Access, and confirm. After you confirm, the recipient will no longer be able to view the contents of that email. Keep in mind, this action stops future access only. If the recipient already opened the message, saved attachments, or took screenshots, those copies won't be deleted. Also note that only messages originally composed with confidential mode can be revoked. Standard emails can't be retroactively turned confidential. Now, if by revoke email access, you mean stopping a third-party app or service from reading or sending mail through your Gmail, that's managed from your Google account settings. In a browser, go to myaccount@google.com and sign in. On the left, click Security. Scroll to the section labeled Third-Party Apps with Account Access, or it may appear as Your Connections to Apps and Services, and then click Manage Third-Party Access. You'll see a list of apps and services that have permission to access parts of your Google data. Select any app you no longer trust or use, then choose Remove Access or Delete, and confirm. From that moment on, the app can't read your email or interact with your Google data. However, understand that revoking access doesn't automatically erase data the app may have already collected. If you want that data removed, reach out to the app or service directly and request deletion. To recap, use confidential mode revocation to block future views of a specific sent email, and use your Google account's security settings to stop apps and services from accessing Gmail. With these tools, you control what's visible and who can connect to your account going forward.